Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are just fine and doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a cozy and creative world of crochet cap design ideas, perfect for adding style, warmth and personality to your wardrobe. Crochet cap are not just for winter anymore. With endless design, colors and texture, they become a fashion statement for every season. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, these ideas will inspire your next project. Let's start with classic bunny cap. Simple, snug, timeless. This design is perfect for everyday wear. You can experiment with soft yarn, neutral shade for a minimalistic look, or go bold with vibrant colors to stand out. Next we have the slouchy crochet cap. This relaxed and slightly oversized design give a trendy and effortless vibe. Pair it with casual outfit for a chic straight style look. If you love details, tight texture stitch cap, pattern like bobble stitch, waffle stitch or cable crochet add depth and uniqueness. These designs not only look beautiful but also feel extra warm and cozy. Moving on to something playful, the pom-pom crochet cap. Adding a fluffy pom-pom on top instantly make your cap cute and eye-catching. Perfect for kids and adults alike. For a more elegant touch, consider lace crochet cap. These lightweight and breathable designs are ideal for spring and summer. They add a delicate feminine charm to any outfit. Don't forget the air lap crochet cap, a perfect mix of style and functionality. These are great for colder days, providing extra warmth while looking absolutely adorable. You can also explore color blocked and strip design. Mixing multiple colors can create a bold and modern look, making your crochet cap truly one of a kind. And for those who love matching accessories, try creating crochet cap set with scarves or gloves. It's a great way to complete your look or even create beautiful handmade gifts. Crochet caps are more than just accessories, they are a reflection of your creativity and style. So grab your yarn, pick your favorite design and start creating something amazing. Hello everyone, how are you all?